Hey, this is Jimmy from Carter Fitness. Today I'm going to show you 3 different plank variations to kind of mix up your workouts and get a little bit more creative so they're not getting so stagnant with the old boring regular planks, side planks, the traditional ab stuff that everybody knows how to do. So the first one that I'm going to show you are plank switches. So you'll grab a 10 to 20 pound weight. You're going to be in the straight on position. You're going to set up with the dumbbell behind you and you're going to switch one side, switch the other. When you're doing that, try not to rotate when you do it. Engage the opposite side of your abs, and it's going to engage when you switch. Usually do that one for time or for reps, depending however you like to track your stuff. The next one that we're going to do is a side plank with a leg raise. What I really like about this one is when you raise that leg, you're going to get a lot of engagement of the lower hip and the obliques there. So it's going to look like this. Normal traditional side plank position, elbows stacked under the shoulder, feet stacked on top of each other, and you're going to do a leg raise. Try not to let your hips fall when you do it. Again, you can do it for reps or you can do it for time. Then lastly, the one that I like the most, because it really gets you firing and gets your heart rate up too as well, are salute planks, and they are exactly how they sound. So you're going to start in a regular plank position. Then we usually do it either for reps or for time, and we just tell the client to switch. But you're going to put your hand up and salute. When you do this, you'll feel full body engagement. Try not to rotate. So we always tell our members to stay parallel with the floor. So it'll look like this. And again, you can do it for time or you can count how many times that you do it with your arms. Hope you like it.